Good afternoon guys, welcome to another video. My name is Jacob. You are watching Jake Drives Car, and as promised today I have something for you. So in this particular box is the fog lamps for the Tata Altroz. Like I told you, unfortunately I did not get both of the lamps. I just have one of them, so I'm just going to do a quick unboxing and show you how it is. Once I have both the parts, I will go ahead and get it installed and I'll put a video on it. So give me one quick minute, I'll go ahead and unbox this for you and I'll get back. Yeah, in the meanwhile, if in case you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Do consider subscribing this channel, and for the returning customers, for the returning viewers, not customers, thank you so much for joining back in. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you. So I've gone ahead and opened up the boxes. I just wanted to open the box and show you guys firsthand as to how things come packaged in. So you can clearly see these guys have packaged the bulb pretty well. Styrofoam, cardboard box, a little more styrofoam. Wow. And here it is. Let me just quickly put this here for a minute. There. Now you guys can see it. This is the original fog lamp for the Tata Altroz. This comes along with the DRL that you can see over here, and this is the major fog lamp. As I turn it around for you, you will be able to see it that this is an OEM manufactured by Bodmo, so bodmo.com. I'll be putting the links for it over there. You can see that it has a few connectors. The bulb is already in place. This is by Tata itself, if in case you want to check. These are genuine accessories. I will go ahead and share the link for you in the description for people who want to go ahead and make a purchase. Once again, I would like to request or appeal to the community to subscribe to my channel. I am no longer being sponsored or endorsed by Bodmo or by anyone else to make this video. These videos are to be informative, to share with the community what little knowledge I have on cars. Once I have the second portion, unfortunately I'm not sure why they're sending it in two different packages. So this is the one which is for the right side of the car. Let me quickly show you how it will sit. Once I have the left ones, I'll go ahead and install it. Right, so here is where that would install, like this. Right, so pretty cool. I'll go ahead and end this video right now. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Again, like I told you, the links for the particular product will be in the description. If in case you want to go ahead and watch my complete journey as to how I transform this base variant into something more appealing, please do consider subscribing to this channel. Like the video if in case you haven't already. Turn on the bell icon notification so that you get notified for every new upload. If you have any questions, any comments, please feel free to leave them below. I will do my best to go ahead and answer all your questions and queries. Until the next video, this is Jacob from Jake Drives Cars signing off. You guys have a beautiful weekend. Bye bye.